Join me as I put this Wi-Fi-enabled meat thermometer to the test and see if it really can help me grill the perfect steak every single time. I'm super excited to share with you this game-changing gadget that promises to take the guesswork out of grilling. This Wi-Fi-enabled meat thermometer is designed to help you achieve perfectly cooked meat every time, and I'm eager to see if it lives up to its claims. Grilling can be intimidating, especially when it comes to cooking meat to the right temperature. I've lost count of how many times I've ended up with overcooked or undercooked meat, and it's frustrating to say the least. You spend hours preparing for a barbecue, and then you end up serving subpar food to your guests. The anxiety of constantly checking the temperature, the fear of overcooking, it's enough to make you want to stick to cooking indoors. But it's not just about the end result, the process can be pretty stressful too. Standing over the grill, flipping and prodding, trying to gauge if it's done just right. And what happens when you're entertaining and you've got a crowd to feed? The pressure's on to deliver, and that's when things can start to go wrong. Overcooked meat is not only a disappointment, but it's also a waste of good food. And let's not forget the food safety aspect. Undercooked meat can be a serious health risk. So, it's crucial to get it right, but it's easier said than done, especially for beginners. The other challenge is that different types of meat have different ideal internal temperatures. You've got to know your stuff, or you're going to end up with meat that's either too rare or too well done. It's a lot to keep track of, especially if you're new to grilling. So, how does this Wi-Fi-enabled meat thermometer work? It's actually pretty simple. You insert the probe into the meat, and it connects to your phone or tablet via Wi-Fi. The app alerts you when the meat reaches your desired temperature, so you can pull it off the grill at the perfect moment. The thermometer itself is super accurate, and it's designed to withstand high temperatures. It's also got a long probe, which makes it easy to get into those hard-to-reach areas. And the best part, you can monitor the temperature remotely, so you can hang out with your guests or prep other sides while your meat is cooking. The app also comes with a bunch of preset temperatures for different types of meat, which takes the guesswork out of it. You can even set custom temperatures if you're feeling adventurous. And with alerts and notifications, you'll never have to worry about overcooking or undercooking again. But don't just take my word for it, I've got a pretty dramatic before and after story to share. Before I got this thermometer, I was struggling to get my steak game on point. I was either overcooking or undercooking, and it was driving me crazy. But then I started using this thermometer, and it's been a total game changer. I was grilling up a storm for a big dinner party, and I was able to get every single steak cooked to perfection. My guests were raving about the food, and I was feeling like a total pro. It's made a huge difference in my grilling confidence, and I'm excited to share that with you. The results have been amazing, and I'm not the only one who's noticed. My friends and family have been raving about my grilled creations, and I'm loving the feedback. It's awesome to be able to share that with others and see the impact it can have. In terms of results, I've seen a huge improvement in the quality of my grilled meat. The thermometer has taken the stress out of grilling, and I'm able to focus on enjoying the experience. I've even started experimenting with new recipes and techniques, which has been a blast. So, what are the benefits of using a Wi-Fi-enabled meat thermometer? For one, it's a total stress saver. No more constantly checking the temperature or worrying about overcooking. It's also super accurate, so you can trust that your meat is cooked to perfection. If you're like me and you've struggled with grilling in the past, I highly recommend giving this thermometer a try. It's made a huge difference in my grilling game, and I'm confident it can do the same for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'd love to hear from you. Have you had any experiences with Wi-Fi-enabled meat thermometers? Share your stories in the comments below. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth meat thermometer digital wireless, long-range connection with built-in temperature display, meats probe, Bluetooth digital wireless meat thermometer for grilling, smoking, cooking. Brand nice to meet. Special feature high accuracy. Color meat thermometer. Age range adult. Included components digital meat thermometer with temperature probe, smartphone app connectivity. Outer material plastic. Specification met FDA, CE, FCC. Display type digital. Connectivity technology Bluetooth. Unit count 1.0 count. Cook with confidence, let your meat reach the right temperature with our meat thermometer digital wireless. No need to juggle apps with our meat probe thermometer wireless. Digital meat thermometer for grilling. Our meat Bluetooth thermometer has a built-in display, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity to monitor temperature up to 800 feet, so you can multitask in the kitchen or by the grill. Cook like a pro, get accurate readings with our Bluetooth meat thermometer. Achieve your desired cooked meat, whether smoking, grilling, or roasting. Our wireless meat probe thermometer has your back. Stay connected. Our Bluetooth meat thermometer lets you use both the base and your phone to track temperatures. Suitable with the CHEFBBQ app, plus a long battery life of 14 hours for the probe and 72 hours for the host. For any type of meat, from steaks to fish and ribs, our meat thermometer for grilling adapts to any method, making it a must-have grill meat thermometer for grillers and chefs alike. And if you're looking for more grilling tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other video on. Until next time, happy grilling!